When they were thrown into the fire, something extraordinary happened. The king was shocked to see 4 people walking amidst the fire unharmed. "Didn't we just throw 3 people into the fire?" cried Nebuchadnezzar. "But I saw 4 people, and the 4th was like a son of God." Nebuchadnezzar approached the mouth of the furnace and called out, "Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, servants of the Most High God, come out!" To their amazement, everyone saw them come out unharmed, unburned, not even the smell of smoke lingering on them.